Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the Euro Australian dollar just out here on the 60. You can see here we've had this nice bullish move off of this low and we've just pushed up to this point and you can see that we are starting to consolidate. So if we drop down to the 15-minute chart, you can see here that we're just starting to base in with a bit of structure, and there will be an accumulation of stops below this level, potentially trying to jump on this to ride it long. What am I looking at from this pair? Well, I would like this to continue potentially, or we may come down here and start to go sideways. But ultimately, I am looking for a manipulation of this level here to clean out all those stops before reversing and going higher. As we all know, if people are positioned under here, they will most likely put their sell stops below this level, and the big boys and the banks, they like a little bit of liquidity. Obviously they need sells in order to fill their buys, so we're looking for a drop down and manipulation of this level to clear out all these stops before reversing higher. So we need to really look for a good area where the market may potentially retrace to, and we can see here that there is a couple of nice little levels just in here. We'll grab a couple of horizontals, we'll put them on there, we'll delete that, otherwise it looks a bit too busy. Let's just track this across, and you can see here that it's captured a nice lot of tails, wicks, price action in general, reversals, support, resistance, nice little zone in here. So I would be looking for it to certainly drop down into this region. Then I'll be looking for a failure and a reversal. Obviously there are several iterations of this. If we drop back to the 15, we could push down into this channel and start reverse straight away. We may push down, we may push back up, it may look like we're starting to push down, we may even bounce off the top level. All of this will certainly add some fuel to the fire. If we break this level, you will get all the breakout traders. If we retrace and then start to push lower, you will get all the retracement traders. And of course, this all adds to the liquidity in the market, and I'll be looking for this to go long. Obviously, targets, I'll leave targets up to yourselves, but if we get a push up from this level, top of the channel wouldn't be a bad shout to take some profit. However, I will be looking a little bit higher. We push out to the daily, then providing we clear that top, I will be looking certainly up around this zone, and if we clear that, maybe a little bit higher. One other thing to bear in mind is there is the potential for an equal measured move. We didn't quite hit the 618, but we pushed just below the 50%. So if you take that there, let's clone that and put that up there, then you can see that we do have this little area right at those tops. What else do we have? potentially a 1-4. You've got a 127 in that original zone, and then you've got at the top here this little 1-4-1-4 for a potential target. You can always trail stops or chase it higher. However you trade, I would stick to your strategy and plan. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do, please give it a like, give it a share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I will continue to provide these free analysis on YouTube. As always, traders, don't forget to trade safe, and I will see you in the next one.